Welcome to the dynamic realm of welding, where precision and protection converge. In this high-stakes environment, the importance of welding gloves cannot be overstated. Welders face a myriad of hazards, from scorching heat to flying sparks, and it is the welding glove that stands as the first line of defense against these challenges. Enter Afeef Leather Industry, a beacon of excellence in the world of welding gloves. Afeef Leather Industry doesn't just manufacture gloves, they engineer solutions that epitomize durability, functionality, and unparalleled protection. These gloves are meticulously crafted to shield welders from the intense heat, molten metal, and abrasive materials that define the welding process. What sets Afeef Leather Industry apart is not just their commitment to quality, but the artistry with which they elevate protection. The gloves are a fusion of cutting-edge technology and traditional craftsmanship, ensuring welders can focus on their art without compromising safety. For those seeking further information or looking to experience the superior protection offered by Afeef Leather Industry welding gloves, please feel free to reach out. Contact us via email at info@afeefleatherindustries.com or through WhatsApp at +92 300 219 6544. Stay connected with us on social media platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Instagram for the latest updates. Thank you for considering Afeef Leather Industry, where your safety is not just a priority but a promise.